Welcome to Quick Revision. Today, a quick revision capsule on Section 6 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. The general rule under Section 6 is simple. Property of any kind may be transferred unless the Act or any other law prohibits such transfer. Section 6 mainly deals with the exceptions to this rule. Let us quickly look at the properties that cannot be transferred. First, spes successionis. This means a mere chance of getting property in the future. Examples include the chance of a legal heir succeeding to an estate, the chance of receiving a legacy on the death of a relative, or any similar possibility. Remember, a mere exception of inheritance cannot be transferred. Since spes successionis is an important exam topic by itself, I'll be covering the topic in a separate quick law revision capsule. Second, a mere right of re-entry. A right of re-entry for breach of a condition cannot be transferred to anyone except the owner affected by it. Third, an easement. An easement cannot be transferred separately from the dominant heritage. Fourth, a personally restricted interest. If an interest is meant to be enjoyed personally by a particular individual, it cannot be transferred. Fifth, a right to future maintenance. The right to receive future maintenance is not transferable. Sixth, a mere right to use. A person cannot transfer only his right to file a lieu suit. Seventh, a public office. A public office cannot be transferred. The salary attached to such office also cannot be transferred before or after it becomes payable. Eighth, stipends and political pensions. Government stipends and political pensions are non-transferable. Ninth, interest opposed to law. A transfer cannot be made if it is opposed to the nature of the interest, if it is for an unlawful object or consideration, or if it is made to a person legally disqualified from receiving it. 10th, untransferable interest. Any interest which is by its nature non-transferable cannot be transferred. For example, where a tenant has only a personal right of enjoyment, that is non-transferable. Quick exam recap. Under Section 6, the following cannot be transferred. Spes successionis, right of re-entry, easement separately from the dominant heritage, personally restricted interest, right to future maintenance, mere right to use, public office, stipends and political pensions, interest opposed to law, and other untransferable interests. Remember this simple formula. Section 6 tells us not what can be transferred, but what cannot be transferred. That's your quick law revision for today. Keep listening, keep revising, and write your exams with confidence. See you soon in the next quick law revision capsule.